Hello guys, I'm going to show you here about help you how you start to fix actually slow or fast mouse on Valorant. There's gonna be about to help you about to understand how you can actually start to go starting with first of all it's about to start to go for over here something is about to be ready on Valorant. So all you need to do is about to click here on right top corner, which is gonna be about to click over here. Now, as you can see, you can start to go to click on settings, and then once you do that, you're gonna start to find out this place where it has. So now, what you're gonna do is about to start to see over here. You want to see the slow and fast. You can start actually to change sensitivity aim, and then it's gonna be about when two sensitivity aim or one. So I'm gonna really have to make it two because it's actually really perfect whenever I have it, because this is really the only way that I can really play on it. And that's all about to help you on this video, and thank you for watching and good luck. See you next episode about another